All right, welcome back, my dear student. So in this lecture here and the following couple lectures, what we're going to be doing is we're going to build a functionality to display our products right here. Well, display some images. All right, we can easily create a function that will display all our products right here. All right, and that would be very nice. But in this case here, all right, I want to build something a little bit more difficult. All right, just to give you some experience. Because right now this is easy. If you just want to loop through all our products, you can just create a function here. We'll loop through all our products and display the pictures here, right? That would be very easy. What I want to do is I want to build a functionality, all right? And I probably did show you that in the demo. A functionality where we can actually have different images here, and we can go to checkout and choose those images. Well, not checkout, I'm sorry. We can go to login. So I'm just going to log in here. We can have a menu here that will say slides. We click on it, and then we can choose whatever images we want to include in that homepage slider. All right. So I think this is gonna be pretty well, really good, fun, enjoyment lecture for you. So hopefully you will have some fun. All right. So let's go ahead. The first thing that we want to do is we want to go to functions. All right, and create a functionality. So let's go to functions. I'm just gonna delete this, and let's go all the way to the bottom here. This is the back admin stuff. We're gonna put a little comment here. We're gonna say get slides function. All right, I'm just gonna name it like this. Oh, you know what? Slides functions. Let's just put it like that. There we go. All right. Slides function. And this is where we're gonna be setting that function up. So we can say the first function is gonna be get slides. All right, and that's it. Get slides. Of course, we need a function keyword there. Don't forget that. So we're gonna have a function that's gonna get the slides. We're gonna have another function, and I just know this because I've done this function before. Get active slide. We need another function for that. All right, we're gonna have another function. We're just gonna set up these functions here, and then we'll complete them. Get slide thumbnails. There we go. All right, get, and we can also, let's actually add the add slide right here. Add slides function. All right, I think that's it for now. We could also say, let's get another one. Let's do another one here. Function get current slide. All right, function. Perfect. All right, so we'll set this up here, and then in the next lecture we'll continue. In the next lecture, I'm also going to give you a file that's going to have the skeleton HTML for that slides. We might call it slider. Actually, we already have a slider. So for that page that we need here on admin, where we can put everything together. All right, in the next lecture I will give you that skeleton. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.